Hi, welcome to this video. Automating data cleanup in Excel using Power Query allows you to build a repeatable cleaning workflow. Once you establish the steps, any future dataset can be cleaned instantly with a single click. In order to do this now with Copilot, basically, Excel includes Copilot with Power Query integrations. Instead of navigating complex context menus, you can click the Copilot here at the very top, right? Of course, you need to subscribe in order to access the Copilot AI, right? And once you subscribe, you're gonna tell the Copilot, hey, remove blank rows, trim column spaces, and split the full name column by space. The AI tool instantly updates the M code behind the scenes and appends the necessary rules directly into your applied steps log. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.